happening, guys? Thanks for checking out another upload of Escargot Boosted Garage. On today's upload, just gonna cover what we've been working on with this foxbody Mustang. Anyways, check it out and hope you guys like the content. All right, so what do we got? What do we got here, Brandon?
So it's our boy Rob's 93 Mustang. This thing originally had a 4-cylinder automatic in it with a nice little turbo setup on it, but he wanted more, so we put a 6-liter iron block with a 78 mil turbo on it, and just got a basic cam and valve springs in it, and it does have a built power glide with a trans brake, so hoping to be using that. He will be using that this year. So.
That's dope. What kind of power numbers are we expecting out of this thing?
It should make 600 to the tire through the glide relatively easily. So it's got bigger aftermarket injectors and running that through a Holley Terminator X.
Awesome.
So we'll lift it
just
up.
Running pump gas?
Just pump gas, yeah.
Perfect.
Just a pump gas, nice little street car.
Nice. Should be a good upgrade from the 200 horse it had before.
Right? Yeah, it should be a fun little car.
Ooh, fuck yeah. Okay, so underneath the car here, BA, I want you to tell me about how we fabricated this exhaust setup.
Yeah, so we kind of, because it was, we ran out of space kind of quick on it, trying to fit the turbo and everything, so we just wanted to pick a spot that was kind of clean. He wanted to come out the bumper with the exhaust, so choosing to put it down here was just the best. It looks super clean from up top, everything's kind of hidden underneath. We did have to run a scavenge pump for a setup like this, just because the turbo sits about the same level as the oil pan, so we have a scavenge pump here just feeding all the oil back into the oil pan. But yeah, it's nice low down, everything kind of fit in there nice.
Beauty. What did we use for manifolds?
Those are 2010 Camaro manifolds.
Cool.
Just flipped upside down and with some V-bands welded on them.
That's killer. Sweet deal. And tell me about the transmission.
So this is a fully built transmission. This thing should be able to take whatever he can put at it. Got a trans brake upgrade with a 4000 stall. So it should have no trouble lighting that turbo up and getting up on the brake. And we're gonna control all that through the Holley, so he can just roll up to the line and do his thing.
What do you think? Are we gonna switch off the Hondas, or do we got the?
I don't know, man. This sounds pretty good.
It does sound good.